and welcome to our lesson on dividing fractions, where we're going to learn the steps and process to divide fractions. Our objectives: to understand the process for dividing fractions and to be able to identify a reciprocal. So to divide fractions, first we have to rewrite the first fraction because we're recreating equations. Then we have to change the division sign to a multiplication sign. Next, we have to flip the second fraction upside down, which means to find the reciprocal. So to find the reciprocal just means to flip something over and finally multiply. So to find the reciprocal, we take a number or a fraction like 3/5 and we flip it over. So the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. So how does this look? Well, just like this. So 3/5 becomes 5/3. Now our first example. 1/3 divided by 1/2. So we rewrite our first fraction. We change our division question into a multiplication question. And then we flip or reciprocate our second fraction. So now we have 1/3 and we multiply across to 2/1, and our solution will be 2/3. Easy as pie. Now your first shout out. What is the process for dividing fractions? First, rewrite the first fraction, change the division sign to a multiplication sign, flip the second fraction upside down, or find the reciprocal, and then multiply. Now here's our example. We have 1/6 divided by 1/2. So we take 1/6, we rewrite it, change our question into a multiplication question. Now the 1 goes on the bottom, the 2 goes on the top, and now we multiply across to get to 6/6, 2/6. Now your homework. I want you to follow the steps that we talked about in this lesson to solve these two questions and enter your solutions online for me to mark. And that concludes our tutorial.